Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about some herbs, specifically rosemary and sage. A lot of times you'll find those in the kitchen cabinet here. One of the things that our side benefit of it is that if there is a way to use them to keep away mosquitoes. And so I'm not going to give you the secret to this. I'm going to make you do the research. But rosemary and sage are used by a lot of people to keep mosquitoes away. So you need to look up go ahead and Google it, look it up in some of your herb books or whatever on how they can keep mosquitoes away. All right? Well, why don't you just tell us? Because I want you to get used to doing some of the research yourself. Double check everything I'm telling you, all right? So, check it out, gain the knowledge, gain the skills, and you'll be better off, all right? Well, before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here to a video I think you'll like. I'm going to put a playlist down here. I'm going to put another video over here on my prepper pantry, and I'm going to put a link up here to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound.